Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to our UBX Academy podcast. My name is Queenie. I'm the trainer for UBX Academy. I'm thrilling to have you all here tonight. Okay, so before I start today's talking about XAI, I believe that you guys saw the updates. So maybe I will just maybe highlight a little bit about the updates on the anniversary staking event. Okay, so for the anniversary this month, UBX is actually having up this limited time staking event, which start April 3rd. So this staking is allow you guys to actually use 50% of EUSDT with 50% of UBX to mine the UBC. So this staking durations will only have the 360 days with a daily yield of 0.6. So take note that this event do not allow the EUSDT portion uh, to count as the referral rewards, only the USDT. So the period will be ending on April 14, 12-day event. Okay, so there's some also the XAI ratio adjustment for effectively starting April 1st, which is the current ratio of 70-30 is not will be ended since last month. So it will be having the 20% EUSDT with 80% UBX. So the daily yield will be revised to 0.9% for 360 days and 0.8% for 180 days. So after this promotion ended on 1st May, it will be adjusted to our usual launch pad, which is the 10% EUSDT and 90% UBX. Okay, so this adjustment is to aim to further optimize the UBX ecosystem to ensure the platform long-term stability. So hope you guys have seen the updates and know what to do next. So tonight we'll be coming on to all this exciting XAI to unlock the future of AI through the decentralized compute power. So let's talk about this Nexus AI. Okay, so for those following our UBX launchpad progress, you guys should know that this NeXAI is the first project to be launched our UBX launchpad, which was strategically formed in collaboration with the GC Capital. So this XAI token is centralized to this project. It's reward tokening for mining on the launchpad and represent the foundation of the Nexus AI ecosystem. So many might ask, what is Nexus AI or XAI? So it's actually a super AI brain that unites the global computing power to drive AI innovations. So this allows users to compute the idle computing power of their devices, so like the smartphone, laptops, and tablets, to the decentralized network that power the AI development. So just imagine this. Imagine you are Sarah, a university student. So waking up one day to find your phone buzzing with excitement. So and you actually see a notification saying, "Congratulations, Sarah. Overnight your idle smartphone has helped you research and diagnose rare disease and predicted climate changes accurately. And it also trained the world's latest AI model. So you have earned rewards in return." So Sarah is amazed that her phone previously was just used for social media call or calling or SMS or messaging. So it's now become something bigger. Now it's become rewarding her and welcome to the future of next AI. So I believe everyone here, how you wish that you are Sarah, waking up with wealth pouring in into your device. So by solving one of the problem facing in the real world, in the innovation Web3, it makes possible just by having next AI. So let us take a look at some of the challenges. To understand some of the challenges that the global AI compute power landscape is facing. And when there is challenge, meaning to say there will be opportunity. So let's take a look. So the AI power is evolving from a traditional processing to intelligent computing. This shift is critical for a lot of digital transformation across many industries. So like the AI, artificial intelligence is shaping our life profoundly and even transforming industry, healthcare, and transportation, and even our daily routine. So beneath this, there is still a lot of challenges like the AI computing spending grew from 9% to the shift have made 9% to 18% in 2022. So it will be projected to hit 25% of global compute expenditure by 2025. And yet, there is the critical imbalance of 83% of global AI compute power is controlled by just five major tech corporations. And users contribute to the AI model do not receive any direct benefit in return. So an exciting opportunity exists in utilizing the billion of idle devices worldwide to boost the AI development and generate grow the economic benefit for all the owners. So now who is actually suffering in this AI landscape? So the AI compute power ecosystem is currently imbalanced, favoring a few and excluding many users. So like developers are facing rapid rise in the cloud computing costs, increasing by approximately 37% each year. So and everyday users contribute value data to the AI platform, but rarely see any direct benefit or rewards. And especially the social at large witness AI evolution primarily driven by corporate interests, often neglecting broader community needs. So compute power should equal to value, and AI is the future. But do you know who is getting the benefit? Definitely it's all the tech giants at the moment. But not to worry, we are coming out with Nexus AI. So how Nexus AI would democratize this AI compute power from a central control to a decentralized opportunity. So Nexus AI is leading a three-stage revolution in computing power by combining AI and blockchain technology. So now this is how it works. So by compute power optimizations, billions of idle devices are fragmented into a usable compute resource network. And next, federated learning chain reactions. These fragmented resources are connected into a decentralized AI supercomputer, enabling fast and more cost-effective AI learning. And last but not least is the artificial general intelligence. So this stage focuses on scaling AI compute power to achieve breakthrough in the AGI, improving AI self-learning and adaptability. So imagine a world where AI is accessible to everyone, not just a tech giant. Nexus AI make this vision a reality by unleashing the untapped potential of billions of devices worldwide. So how Nexus AI can tap into the global compute power? Let's take a look. Just imagine 10 billion of idle devices multiplied by 30% of unused compute power is equivalent to 3,000 petaflop. So what is 3 petaflops? Is meaning equal to 15 Google TPU clusters. So if this 3,000 is activated, this decentralized compute network could surpass any centralized supercomputer. So just imagine your idle compute power is the atomic fuel for this super AI training. So, so what is NeXAI? You can see that the NeXAI is actually a blockchain-based distributed supercomputing platform designed to harness the idle compute power from billions of devices worldwide. So think about it, like your smartphone, laptop, smartwatches, smart TV, and even most of the time when they are idling, quietly waiting, Nexus AI will transform this idle moment into powerful contributions to the AI advancement. So how they do that? By solving the inefficiency in the AI compute power access, and also to create new AI development opportunity while ensuring fairness. And last but not least, will be empowering users to contribute and benefit from the AI progress with rewards. So next AI vision is to make AI accessible, affordable, and beneficial for all. So next AI is on the mission to launch the compute power equity movement by connecting idle compute power worldwide. So they have a mission is to enable and contribute compute power to train the next AI AGI, and also allow AI revolution reward based on contribution, and users can earn XAI token to power the AI democratizations. So they have a slogan: your device, your power, our future. So next AI create a decentralized super AI brain, accessible and beneficial to everyone involving it. So the growing ecosystem, how we can scale the AI compute power with the community. Remember, just now I shared a story about how Sarah was so excited about her device giving her reward, but she didn't actually stop at earning reward just alone. She actually invited her friend to form what they call the compute power squad. So together they compete globally and contribute to their compute power and earn rewards from $1 billion prize pool. So, but there is the beautiful part that the Sarah and the friend are also contributing something meaningful. So, through the next AI collaboration with the environmental organization, their squad compute contribution directly will translate into this real world impact. So when every 100 hours of collective compute power they provide, one real tree will be planted. So Sarah's idle phone was now actively helping to save the planet as well. So compute power will fuel the AI progress and benefit the planet. So we can take a look at XAI having a three game-changing innovation. So by redefining AI training, governance, and finance. So let me introduce the first, which is the compute power as authority by transforming everyday device into contributor of the AI computing power. So with smartphone serving as the AI training nodes, in the past, where traditional AI training relied purely on centralized supercomputer, making access expensive and limited. And also most of the personal devices have a lot of unused compute power which are not utilized. So now XAI can allow any device to join the global compute power network. So by allocating tasks based on the device capability, phone handle images processing, and probably PC can train small models and servers conduct complex computations. So this intelligence distribute, optimize efficiency and reduce cost significantly. And also the privacy first approach, your data will stay private. Not only that, only encrypted gradient parameters are securely transmitted, preserving your privacy and security. So this will actually impact by reducing AI compute costs by 67% while increasing training speed for all the AI by 40%. So this will empower users to contribute the AI progress by using their own device. So the second, which is the cloud AI evolutions, which will enable decentralized decision making by voting on the future of AI using compute power. So AI development usually is controlled in the past by all the large corporations to design what model should they be training this AI. So user and developer will not have any say on the directions. But with XAI solution, developers can submit AI training tasks and the community can vote using the XAI token to prioritize which model to proceed. So also with the POC, proof of contributions, users can earn evolution points by contributing compute power. So this point can actually be exchanged for like a share of the AI generated revenue or exclusive AI powered services in exchange for exclusive AI powered services in the future. So this will impact the market by democratize the AI development, enable communities influence on the AI evolutions. So it will also reward user for their computing power as well, benefiting to all the individuals rather than just the large corporations. So in the past where crowdsourcing AI, traditional method was data uploaded, it will be moved to the central processing, then the model output. So now with NeXAI, all the localized data will be encrypted with gradient transmissions and move towards the federated model update. So AI evolution would become more safer and more efficient. So the third will be the power of finance, transforming AI compute power into liquid finance assets. So compute power in the past is not monetized in any way in the traditional centralized system, or the training is sometimes even costly and inefficient, limiting to the innovative. With XAI solutions, the compute power in the digital world make a flow seamlessly through using the XAI token by converting compute power into tokenized assets. So users can lease, trade, or fractionally invest their compute resources. So moreover, users can stake compute power in high risk yet high reward AI project. like drug discovery or advanced climate modeling. So successful projects yield substantial returns, while unsuccessful ones will still offer based on token-based compensations. So this will allow a lot of users to participate in this AI-focused hedge fund, powered entirely by just your idle smartphone or laptops. So this will turn compute power into tradable, investable digital assets and benefit everyone in the ecosystem. So, but how exactly does the AI token maintain its value and stability? How do we ensure long-term growth and sustainability? So in this segment, we will like to explore the fascinating world of the NeXAI tokenomics, including the mining rewards and the deflationary system and the staking opportunity. So the power behind NeXAI is the XAI token, which is built on the BSC chain, initial price of 10 cent USDT, with a total supply of 1 billion XAI. So XAI token is the backbone of the next AI ecosystem, driving its growth and its utility. So 50% of the supply is allocated for compute mining rewards, with the first 4 years offering the highest reward for early adopters. And for utility, developers can use XAI to access decentralized AI training. Users can use it for AI services with the XAI token. So XAI is used to fuel all the AI development, compute access, and also the governance participations. Sorry. Okay, so for the early adopters of XAI stands to benefit the most as mining rewards were the highest in the initial year. So just like Bitcoin, early miner reap significant reward and early participants in the XAI mining will also gain the same competitive advantage. So let's take a look at the XAI token utility, because without utility, it will be harder to create a long-term scarcity and value growth. Okay, so it can be used to pay as the AI compute power. Developer can use them to access the decentralized AI training. And also, the highest taker actually can priority to access premium compute resources. And also, the XAI can be used to pay for AI generated services and also participate in the holdings. With the holders can vote on the AI development priorities. So let's take a look at the deflationary mechanism. So XAI tokens are burned with every use of the AI service, reducing supply over time. So mining reward can also decrease annually, creating long-term scarcity and value growth. So the mining reward adjusts based on total network compute power, ensuring the balance of the XAI supply. So this mechanism drives the continuous demand, so prevent inflations and ensure XAI to retain the long-term value in this ecosystem. So the growth engine behind XAI to allow it to have a sustaining long-term value is also when there is increase in this AI demand, more developers and enterprise require affordable and decentralized AI compute power. So it would drive more developer and enterprise to use and make use of the XAI token. And the continuous burning of the XAI token through the AI service usage will also reduce the supply and increase scarcity. And users that stakes the XAI to access higher compute priority, this will create a strong holding for the incentive. And also the ecosystem expansion with new AI services, strategic partnerships, and enterprise adoptions will also enhance the XAI utility and value. So let us be a part of the decentralized AI revolution by contribute stakes and grow with XAI. So why we choose XAI as a high potential token and possible to move to $1 trillion market and become your trending asset? Let us take a look. As we look to the future, it's clear that the AI and blockchain technology is moving very fast, forefront of technological transformations. So according to Gartner, the global AI market is projected to reach 190 billion by 2025. So NeXAI is uniquely positioned in this leading revolution by providing compute power infrastructure which is necessary for AI development. So also by contributing to NeXAI, we are not just participating in the future of AI, we are actually shaping it together with this ecosystem. So take note that AI and blockchain will definitely lead the next technological revolution. So how next AI ecosystem will drive the value growth, especially now there is so many AI projects out there already, like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Gemini, or even like Microsoft Bing Chat. So with these are remember these are all Web 2 projects. So it's all controlled by centralized. So what if there is a decentralized AI that can be contributed with every individuals and every individuals will get benefit? Wouldn't it be good? Take a look that XAI can contribute to the gaming industry, logic, logic, logistic industry, education industry, or even in the medical field or the IoT, social, and finance. This can actually increase the market demand for the XAI to appreciate in value. So this is why XAI can stand out in the crowded AI and blockchain space. So it will have unlimited future potential when XAI is the core asset to our ecosystem. So let us take a look. Sorry. Okay, why early investor will benefit the most? Because you guys is having the first mover advantage in the high growth AI token. So with 50% of XAI released in the first year, so first 4 years definitely it will give higher rewards for early miners. So early stage mining definitely offer lower difficulties and higher returns and benefit early participants. And also, the market supply and price growth. With the increase in demand and decrease in supply of XAI, it will lead to rising price. So like the Bitcoin and Ethereum, XAI value will grow steadily with the network expansion and increase of the computing power. And also the deflationary models, which will also promote a long-term scarcity for the XAI. So all this will allow the XAI token to move in a very advantageous trend. So early participants leads to gain computing power advantages and long-term value growth. Okay, so let's take a look at some of the XAI AI tokens that can be compared with our XAI. So I believe you guys has heard of some of the AI token projects tokens like the Singularity Network, which is using the AGIX token. Also the Fetch, Ocean Protocol, Number, Cortex, Deep Brain Chain. So all these have grown tremendously over time. So especially by looking at the Cortex, it's also having a 10-cent initial price. Up till now, it's having a 3,500% growth at $3.60. So what will happen to XAI with this potential and by combining the blockchain AI and let everyone access, contribute, and earn rewards at the same time with their idle device? It would definitely benefit and make the AI accessible to every single individuals. So XAI is the one of the highest potential AI tokens. As the ecosystem expands with the help of UBX, it can have a value match or even surpass any other top AI assets. So why does XAI stands out? In the AI sectors, the future core assets of the AI compute economy. NeXAI shift control from centralized corporation to a decentralized network, empowering individuals to contribute and benefit. So by using technology-driven, innovative, exponential growth potential, exclusive launch in UBX, and with all the early incentive and long-term benefits, all this will allow XAI to be very different from the other AI tokens on the market. So take note, XAI is not just another token. It's a driving force of the AI compute economy. Okay, so before I wrap up, let us recap. Sorry. Okay, before we wrap up, let us recap some key takeaway that we share today with XAI. NextAI is a revolutioning in the AI industry by democratizing the compute power. The XAI also fuel this ecosystem by offering rewards, utility, and governance opportunity. So by participating early, you can maximize your benefit and be part of the AI revolution. So remember, NeXAI isn't just another technology. It's a movement towards fairness, innovations, and collective prosperity. So your device could now become a cornerstone of tomorrow AI intelligence. Imagine a future where everyone will benefit from the AI advancement, where your idle devices contribute meaningfully to the global challenge, and where the compute power is democratized. Remember, nowadays everyone is saying AI is replacing individuals, but it's not now. Now is the time whereby we can move and monetize the AI technology together. Let's harness this potential. Remember, your idle device isn't just idle, it's powerful. So these are the links about XAI. If you are interested to find more, you can screenshot this down. And thank you very much for joining me tonight. And my name is Queenie, and I'm the trainer for UBS Academy. Thanks for joining me and hope to see you guys very soon.